wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Tiara Putri Amrina with NPM 224110034 from Management Class 22A. Here I will present the 9 material, namely about capital structure analysis. Here I will explain the definition of capital structure analysis. Definition: capital structure analysis is the process of evaluating the composition of funding sources used by a company to finance its operation and investment. Capital structure includes all forms of debt and equity used by a company. Factors affecting capital structure: the form or characteristic of the business being run, the scope of the business operation activities being carried out, the management characteristic applied in the business organization, the characteristic, policies, and desires of the owner, the micro and macro economic conditions that apply domestically and abroad, which also influence company decision making. Capital structure ratio: debt to equity ratio, total liabilities plus stockholders' equity. Number of times interest is earned, income before tax and interest expense plus interest expense. Book value per share, common stockholders' equity plus number of shares of common stock outstanding. The purpose of capital structure analysis: 1. Optimizing cost of capital. 2. Increasing company value. 3. Financial risk management. 4. Consider tax effects. 5. Financial flexibility to address immediate needs. 6. Considering the company life cycle. 7. Optimizing equity use. 8. Evaluating the environmental impact of business. Capital structure components. Capital structure is the composition of source of funds used by a company or entity to finance their operation and investments. The main components of the capital structure usually consist of two main elements, namely debt and equity. Here are the most common capital structure components. 1. Debt. 2. Equity. 3. Short-term debt. 4. Long-term debt. 5. Common stock. 6. Preferred stock. 7. Paid-in capital. 8. Retained earnings. 9. Invested capital. 10. Consumer debt. Cost of capital. Capital costs are the costs required by a company to obtain funding source. This includes the cost of debt, interest, and the cost of equity, cost of own capital. Capital structure analysis aim to optimize the overall cost of capital. Capital structure theory. Capital structure theories such as Modigliani, Miller, Stubbs, a relationship between capital structure and firm value. This theory proposes that a company value is not affected by its capital structure in a perfect world without tax and transaction costs. However, in the real world, tax and transaction costs play an important role. Effects of debt on profits. 1. Financial leverage. The use of debt can increase financial leverage, which in turn can increase the rate of return on equity. 2. Potential operational leverage. In some cases, the use of debt can increase operational efficiency and company growth. By financing expansion or investment through debt, companies can take advantage of growth opportunities without spending their own capital. Investment diversification. Debt can be used to finance investment that produce a higher rate of return than the cost of the debt. This allows a company or individual to diversify its investment portfolio. The effect of debt on risk. 1. Financial risk. Use of debt increases financial risk. Interest risk variable floating rate. The present interest risk that can significantly affect the cost of debt if interest rate rise. 2. Ownership risk. The use of debt also means shareholders must compete with lenders for profit sharing. 3. Economic uncertainty. Economic and market risks also influence the use of debt. 4. Credit limits. Lenders may impose restrictions of companies that have high debt, which may hinder the company's ability to borrow further or undertake other financial activities. Financial leverage. Financial leverage is a concept that describes the use of debt to increase shareholders' equity returns. Capital structure analysis helps in assessing the extent to which financial leverage can benefit a company. Capital structure performance evaluation. Capital structure performance evaluation is the process of analyzing and monitoring the extent to which a company's capital structure is in accordance with the company's financial objectives and strategy. This involves assessing how decisions regarding debt and equity affects the financial performance and value of the company. Following are the steps involved in capital structure performance evaluation. 1. Cost of the capital analysis. 2. Comparison with financial targets. 3. Financial risks. 4. Tax effects. 5. Influence on company value. 6. Effects on profits and shareholders. Thus, I can convey more or less. I apologize if there are wrong words that are spoken, and for your attention, I thank you very much. Finally, I would like to say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.